Dogecoin will get some very big moves today, and I'll tell you exactly why in this video. So let's get right into it. First of all, good morning and welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. And welcome back to your daily Doge update. Today is an important day for crypto. Fundamentally it is. And therefore for Dogecoin it is also. So let's get right into it. I mean, we have to start with the fundamentals. What we have today is we have not the interest rate, that's tomorrow. We have the inflation rate. All right, inflation rates all from the US always makes the market move, and it makes it move a lot. And usually, I mean, I agree if you say that Dogecoin usually does not move along with the market. That's true, but in times like these, it generally does. All right, so altogether, the most important things you should look at, and if you want to check that out, here's the site, myfxbook.com. And the most important things are the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, the core inflation rate and the inflation rate year on year. Those are the most important things, and the most important thing you should realize is that if this is actually higher than expected, so higher than the consensus, that's bad for crypto. If it's lower than expected, that's good for crypto. And the correlation in the crypto market really will get to like 1. All right, so what that means is that all the cryptos will move alongside with each other. And therefore, I also think that Dogecoin will have some big moves, because I am expecting big moves for other cryptos. I think this is one of the most highly anticipated weeks in the entirety of crypto. So yeah, if we take a look at Dogecoin today, the volume is actually pretty high, which is a good thing, because that allows us to get some really big moves, because I really do think those are happening. It's dropped down a little bit since yesterday, but that yesterday we obviously crashed a little bit. We'll talk about that, don't worry. And we recovered, so that a lot of volume goes into that. So what happened with Dogecoin, and we'll zoom into the 1 hour time frame for that, is we dropped down to 8.5 cents. This was due to bearish fundamentals. Just here also was also a correlation, is one move, because the entire market had a move like that. And what I said is that, I mean, we dropped down pretty hard, so I thought we would at least get back up to like 9.1, 9.2, which we did. My analysis was pretty accurate. I said we would break above 8.8 cents. And then get up to 9.1, 9.2, and then from there drop back down to 8.8 cents. Which happened, and then right now what's going on is not too great actually, because we're starting to fall back down under 8.8 cents. And I could extend the key level, like I could extend it so that it looks like we're still in support. But it really does not look that great for Dogecoin on the very short term. Even though, I mean, you and I both know that Dogecoin short term doesn't really matter. In the end, what's going to happen is in about 5 hours, probably when you're watching this video in 4.5 hours, it's at 2:30 GMT +1 time zone. What's going to happen is that the inflation rate is either going to be higher than expected or lower than expected. If it's lower than expected, I expect Dogecoin to at least move up to 9.5 and 9.6 cents. So quite a big bullish move. But I mean, the only real resistance level Dogecoin has to break through, at least if we stay on top of 8.8 cents, is 9.1, 9.2. I mean, the other resistance levels above there, then you're already at 9.5 and 9.6. All right, so that's what I expect if it's lower than expected. If it's higher than expected, that's just bullish for crypto. So even though Dogecoin, the fundamentals behind it are actually still more bullish than most cryptos with everything that's happening at Twitter. What's most likely to happen is that we'll drop down to 8.4. All right, if it's actually higher than expected. So higher than the consensus, just to make that clear. So that's going to happen regardless of the short term. I mean, we'll only have like one more candle close before it actually happens. So sure, that candle could close below 8.8 cents. Or above 8.8 cents in general, but I don't expect it to get out of this area. All right, so out of this area, my prediction still remains the same. So that's the main thing you should know. I'll be back with another update on Dogecoin tomorrow, obviously ahead of the interest rate as well. Big fundamental week. But for now, that's I think everything you should know about Dogecoin today. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.